We are racing. Very nice start, very nice start. It is Dustin, Corbin, and Caesar. They've been battling hard all day. Dustin Brewer is your current points leader. Caesar's probably right there in second. It is X-Ray, Associated X-Ray. Corbin with a small bottle. Caesar's going to suck up on the back of him. Third place with a tumble. That moves Tyler Keel to the third spot. He's been working on that car all day long. It is Dustin and Corbin running 1 and 2.9 seconds is the gap. It is X-Ray Associated 1 and 2. This is going to be a fast race. Lower leader upside down and still let Corbin and Tyler go by. Tyler Keel has a knack for driving that thing like a Cadillac. Good luck trying to pass him. Urban having everything his way. Out to a big lead, 2.3 seconds over Tyler. Caesar now up to the 3 spot. He's going to be all over Tyler like a cheap suit. John Navarro getting up in the mix. That battle for second is going to get spicy. Tyler Keel looks like he's making up some room on Corbin. And 2.3 seconds back that last lap. Tyler Keel says, it ain't over yet. Here comes Caesar. Arguably one of the faster cars on the track. In fact, the hot lap is from Caesar back on lap 11 with an 11-1. He is cooking. Your leader with a bobble. Here comes the rest of the pack. You got 2:20 to go. This one's heating up. Corbin, Tyler, Caesar, and Dustin. 1, 2, 3, 4 all on the back straightaway. John Navarro not far behind in 5. We're going to have an excellent battle for the last 2 minutes. 2 minutes left. Tons of time to go. 1, 2, 3, 4 all separated by about 2 seconds. Caesar trying to be real courteous. I told you passing was going to be hard. Out. Bobble out a second. There goes Caesar. Caesar and Dustin are going to set their sights on Corbin. They got plenty of time. Still a minute and a half to go. Only 1.6 seconds back. Now we're down to 2. Caesar and Corbin, Tyler to the 3. Yeah, Tyler to the 3. He's got John Navarro all over the back of him for that final podium spot.
1 minute left.
We got 1 to go. It is Corbin and Caesar separated by 1.2 seconds. Caesar inches closer lap after lap after lap.
45 seconds left.
1 second is the gap. Caesar saving tenths every time across the line. Only 30 seconds to go. 0.6 is the gap. Caesar is now all over the back of Corbin. Corbin with a small tap. 0.2 is the gap.
15 seconds left.
You got 15 to go, about 2 more laps.
10, 9, 8.
This should be your last lap.
6, 5, 4.
Second place with a tap.
2, 1. Machampo done.
That's gonna do it.
Corbin Urban done.
Corbin gonna take the win.
Fernando
Followed by
done.
Caesar.
John Navarro
Tyler
done.
Keel in the 3.
All drivers
Followed
are
by
finished.
Nate, John, and
Tyler
Dustin.
Keel done.
That's gonna do it on the off-road side. Need Corbin, Caesar, and Tyler to the podium.
Wow, these experts really show out here at the race place in Oklahoma City. I hope you guys enjoyed watching.